So tonight we're going to be putting on the StayPut. So this is the product for tonight called StayPut. So let's get started with the StayPut. All right, here we go. We're going to put the StayPut on. Let me get it. See, I have the Dexcom here on my arm. It seems fairly simple to come off the back of the sticker there. And we'll get it right over the top here. Okay, yeah, it's definitely sticky on there. Can feel it it has a nice top to it there. Really seems water resistant or something like that on the top. All right, so there we go. We've got the top on. We've got it on there. Kind of give you a little look of what it's like. All right, so we've got the StayPut product on the arm there. Come on back tomorrow night. So this is the first 24 hours of the StayPut product. So a couple things that I've done in the last 24 hours. I have gone for a 30-minute high-intensity bike ride as well as taken a really hot shower. And just so you kind of can see, I'll do a closer view here in a second. The StayPut product is really awesome. I do have to say there's not really any fraying. The only thing that I did find challenging is that it is a lot bigger than what I thought it was. So needless to say, when it's here on my arm, it is definitely in the crease of my arm, which makes it a little bit more challenging. But overall, I love the feel of the product and so far how it is working. So this is the next day of the StayPut product. As you can kind of see here, we'll give you a much closer look. It is starting to fray a little bit along the edges, but it's not lifting up at all, so that's a really good sign. And as I did mention the other night, it is a much bigger product than I thought it was. So you kind of can see how it's coming a little bit into the crevice of my elbow there. But overall, it is really staying on and really keeping its adhesiveness. So again, this was a review of the StayPut product. All right, so this is the last segment for the StayPut product. It has now been on for 72 hours. In the last 24 hours, I have done intense spinning for about 30 minutes as well as lifted weights, taken a hot shower, and let's take a look and see how it's doing. All right. As you can see here, there's a lot more fraying along the edges, but it's, as I mentioned, there's still a lot more fraying along the edges, but it has stayed on really securely. I don't feel any kind of challenges with how it's staying on, but as I did mention the other day, it is a lot bigger than what I thought it was. So maybe, looking at where I put the placement of it could be a challenge. So again, thanks for checking this out.